It was a cold start this morning, and we still will have chilly temperatures for you getting you past midnight tonight. Our fair share of some sunshine, though, throughout our Thursday, but rain chances will be back on the way as we are going into the day tomorrow. So at least for the rest of this evening, going closer to the midnight hour, still keeping things mostly dry. Still notice the little red arrows coming in from the south. That's going to be the primary wind direction as we go closer to the midnight hour. Clouds will start to increase, time frame near midnight, getting into early Friday morning. You do start to notice some rain approaching from the west. That will be the rain chance we will have for you as early as your Friday morning and even getting towards the afternoon hours. Now, notice the coverage of the rain looks to be a little bit more concentrated for some of our northern communities. If you're farther south of the Mackinac Bridge, I think the rain chances are going to be a little bit more isolated as we're going throughout the day tomorrow, but nonetheless, I would suspect at least everybody should be able to at least see a passing shower or two at some point as we are going throughout your Friday. And we do need the rain, so we will take the rain as we get into the day tomorrow. And even still by midnight, this is into the beginning of the weekend, even by Saturday, still could hold on to even some of these lingering showers. Also notice a few yellows and oranges there on the map. Isolated rumble of thunder. Also can't completely rule that out as we get later into the day tomorrow. So still holding on to a rain chance, at least throughout our Saturday morning. I think this system itself will start to exit the region the later we're getting into Saturday by the afternoon hours and into the evening. And then most of your Sunday looks to be a mostly dry day too. So here's a look at our rainfall thoughts as we go throughout early Saturday morning. In general amounts, about a quarter to a near half an inch, but where you do see some of those green shadings on the map, if we do manage to get a few thunderstorms develop, there could be some locally heavier amounts, maybe getting closer to 3/4 of an inch of rain. Winds will also be a little bit breezy as we go throughout the day tomorrow. Still that direction from the south, but there you go by the afternoon. Some of those gusts easily could be reaching back near 25 to even close to 30 miles per hour. So a little rainy and a little breezy as we get into the day tomorrow. Cadillac out there right now holding on to 60 degrees. Current temperature and southeast wind not too strong at about 1 mile per hour. Also checking in with Manistee at this hour. Some upper 50s at 59 degrees. West-northwest wind keeps you at about 4 miles per hour. So technically the growing season is done and over for us, at least into northern Michigan. So that's going to be the reason why you don't see any frost or freeze alerts maybe on your phone later into tonight. But temperatures, especially farther inland, still will support some frost development into our Friday morning. So that's going to be the main takeaway there. Very, very chilly numbers. As we go into the day tomorrow, numbers as we go throughout the afternoon, upper 50s, low 60s into the eastern upper peninsula right there near the tip of the mitt. A little bit more of a southeast wind at about 5 to 15, but remember some of those gusts by the afternoon could still be a little bit stronger. Western lower, your numbers on a Friday, low to mid 60s looking good. Scattered showers as we go throughout the daytime hours for your Friday. That's what we'll have for you getting into the day tomorrow. Similar conditions as we go towards the sunrise side. A few more low to mid 60s there, still with the scattered chance at least for a few passing showers as we go throughout the day tomorrow. If the coverage for the rain is a little more isolated, I think we'll find that into some of our central zones. So a few more dry hours in between any showers we do see. Temperatures here still back into the low to mid 60s as we take you throughout your Friday afternoon. And as we're getting into the weekend, still the chance will hold at least for a shower Saturday morning. More dry time as we go into the second half of the weekend, and another chance for a few more showers, Adam, as we get into your Monday.